Welcome to the second video in a series about Lekker, Qsol's QuickBooks integration package available on the App Exchange. Please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can stay up to date with their most recent Salesforce videos. Also, please make sure to have successfully authenticated to your QuickBooks org before continuing with this video. If you have not done so, watch and follow along with the first video in this series to authenticate. This video will cover preparing your existing Salesforce data to be included in the first sync, as well as creating and editing mapping configurations. As a reminder, you can find this content in the user document of the Lekker QuickBooks integration package listing. The data you decide to sync from Salesforce to QuickBooks is controlled at the record level. This package provides a checkbox field on the account and contact that you can add to your page layouts. Check this box to have records included in the data sync, and only add this field to the Salesforce object you are choosing to map. The Lekker package includes two types of syncs that run. The first type is an initial sync, and runs after each configuration you create. This is the type we are preparing the data for. The second type of sync is the daily batch job. If you would like to skip data preparation for the first sync and include these records later on, that is okay. Just flag the records when ready and the daily batch job will pick them up. Here's an example. Let's say you choose to map Salesforce account to QuickBooks customer. Click the gear icon in the upper right hand corner, then click Setup. Next, click on Object Manager, then click on Account. Click on Page Layouts and choose the layout you would like to add the field to. Find the Include in QB Sync field in the top panel and drag it onto the page layout. Next, save the layout. Navigate back to the front end. Once there, click on the Account tab. We will only include 2 records in this example to save time, but you can do this for however many records you would like. Click on the gear icon within the table, then click Select Fields to display. Select Include in QB Sync, then move it to the section on the right by clicking the arrow. Click Save. Check the Include in QB Sync box for the records you would like to include in the initial sync, then click Save. You can see which records are included by clicking on the Include in QB Sync list view. Your data is prepared once all the records you would like to include are checked. The next step is to create a mapping configuration between Salesforce fields and QuickBooks fields. Click on the app waffle, then find and click on the Lekker Admin app. Click on the Direction tab, and then choose Salesforce from the drop-down as the source. On the next tab, pick which Salesforce object you would like to map to which QuickBooks object. Now, we will determine field mappings between the 2 objects you chose. The first field that is required for a customer field mapping is the display name. Pick which Salesforce field you'd like to map to the display name. Then choose Display Name for the QuickBooks field. Next, click Add. To remove a pairing, select the checkbox to the left of the pairing, then click Remove Selected Pairs. You may get an error if you try to save the configuration that includes a QuickBooks billing or shipping address. Include the field specified in the error message, and then give it another try. Next, we will confirm that our Salesforce records were updated with the external IDs from QuickBooks. If they have external IDs, this means the initial sync successfully created or paired with a record from QuickBooks. Click the app waffle, then find and click on Account. Navigate to the Included in QB Sync list view. If your sync ran successfully, then you should see updated QB external IDs. Lastly, we will go through editing an existing configuration. If you find one, start at the QB app again. Fill in the same direction and record type you did previously. You'll be taken to the existing configuration tab. Click Edit Config Record. The same screen will pop up as before. Add field mappings to the record the same way you did while creating. You can also delete the record by clicking on the red Delete Mapping Record button. Thanks for sticking with us to the end of the video. We provide more documentation than just this video. Please check out the documents provided by our App Exchange listing or our knowledge base to get more information on this package. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Salesforce videos from our channel.